Introduction to Authentication. Users must be authenticated to access the web portal, access solution endpoints such as PC clients and embedded terminals for submitting and releasing print jobs, and for mobile apps and the Chrome extension. The solution supports three main authentication types: local user authentication, authentication against an external provider using modern authentication or a service account. Local authentication uses our built-in provider. Like a traditional provider, you can manually create users or use the API features to bulk create them. Client authentication uses OpenID Connect and authenticates users via OAuth 2. This supports Entra ID, Google G Suite, Ping, Auth0 and Okta. Finally, using a service account to access your authentication provider, this allows support for on-premise LDAP or Active Directory, Entra ID and Okta.